Christian here from Pro3 Properties, and we're here at another project, and I just want to give you guys a quick tour, quick status update. So this is a triplex. It was a grandfathered in duplex, and we got it took 2 years to get a permit from the city of St. Catharines to add a third unit and to basically have a duplex with an in-law suite, not in-law suite, with the accessory suite. So triplex, legal triplex at the end of the day. And yeah, so we had a whole bunch of work done to this 3-bedroom unit. The tenants just moved out recently, and I just want to show you guys what's going on here. So we have 3 different hydro panels, 3 different hydrometers, so each unit has its own hydro service. Then everything here has been painted top to bottom. We added a light fixture here that wasn't there before. This is a 1950s bungalow with an extension in the back. So all new outlets, all new light switches, and then this is absolutely beautiful. So we just finished putting in brand new vinyl flooring, and yeah, I really like it. It's fantastic. Looks fantastic. So yeah, lots of electrical upgrades, vinyl flooring throughout the entire unit, all 3 bedrooms, living room, kitchen, bathroom. We have 2 different colors. A little bit darker, homey, comfy color, and a brighter color for the smaller spaces. Then here you have the kitchen. So we did a lot of cleaning here, deep cleaning, and we put in a new dishwasher. The old dishwasher was really bad, and it wasn't functional anymore. So now we're going to put in a backsplash right here. It's going to be a nice looking backsplash. And okay, let's keep going. So yeah, you can see the flooring makes a massive difference. It's such a modern, clean look and feel. So this is the 1st bedroom. It's small. Here's the closet space. So we're doing the flooring in the closet space as well, obviously. This is a fire-rated door. The fire-rated door there's a back entrance here. So this is where you have access to the backyard, which is a large oversized lot. And then down this way, there's access to the shared laundry area. And then there's a 3rd unit, which we are working on. So this was some old laminate flooring before, and we just put the vinyl on top. There's also an underlayment, a layer of underlayment attached to the vinyl flooring, which adds a little bit of quality, and it adds soundproofing. And soundproofing, anyone who has experience in the residential multi-unit space, knows that soundproofing is huge, very, very important. And that's another reason why we decided to go ahead and put in the new vinyl flooring. I'll show you guys a piece here. So this is what I mean. So there's a little layer of, it's not very thick by any means. This is not the greatest quality vinyl flooring, but it's definitely decent quality. And yeah, so this underlayment adds some soundproofing as well. And then here you have the master bedroom, lots of light coming in, all freshly painted. Yeah, there's a big window. And then the new floor everywhere. Beautiful. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and show you around Pro3 Properties. And I will be posting another video soon with basically a progress report on the basement conversion. Yeah, looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Peace.